Hi, I'm Joe from Windermere Pool Services, and in this video I'm going to talk about pool drain safety. You wouldn't think of allowing your children to get into the water if they didn't know how to swim, or without making sure they were wearing sunscreen. But you probably haven't thought about the safety of the pool main drain. The pool drain is at the bottom of your pool's deep end. Your filter pump draws water from the drain, filters and sanitizes it before sending it back to your pool. While the drain's an essential part of your pool system, there are dangers arising from it that you probably haven't thought of. With the drain being at the bottom of the pool's deep end, you should be aware that anyone getting trapped on it won't be able to breathe and they won't be able to call for help. Unfortunately, that's exactly what happened to Virginia Graham Baker, a 7-year-old girl who got trapped on a faulty drain and tragically lost her life in 2002. After considerable effort from her family, the Virginia Graham Baker Pool and Spa Safety Act was passed in 2008 in an effort to avoid further unnecessary loss of life. All commercial pools, hotels, water parks, community pools were forced to proactively change their drain covers to a newer, safer style, and we'll talk to you about those styles in a minute. But private pools have no such requirement. The only exception is when you are changing your pool pump, at which point your pool installer is legally obliged to bring your pool covers up to code. These are a couple of the older styles of drain cover that are still widely in use, but no longer available to buy because they're not considered safe. You will see that they're generally flatter and have less drain holes, and for this reason are easier to block with a body part. They also create a vortex, which has the effect of tangling longer hair almost into a rope that is impossible to untangle. Imagine your drain cover as being like this vacuum hose. You have suction, and if you put your hand on there, you get trapped. That's what anti-entrapment drain covers are there to protect you from. The newer drains are more curved and impossible to block with a body part. The number of holes does not create the same suction vortex, and for that reason, these are commonly referred to as anti-vortex drain covers. So it's obvious that you should consider proactively changing your drain covers for the new anti-vortex covers. But whether you have the older or newer style, you should also make sure that they are intact and properly secured to the bottom of the pool, or call your pool company to have them dive the pool and change them out. Here's a cover that we replaced just the other week. On the face of it, there was a minor problem with just a little piece missing. But when we got to the surface, you can see that it was significantly damaged, and you could easily imagine long hair or jewelry getting caught on there. So let's talk about options. In an ideal situation, we simply unscrew the old or broken cover and screw the newer style cover straight back in place. Unfortunately, sometimes the old drain pot is not able to accept a new style cover, but fortunately we have a remedy, and we attach an adapter to the drain pot and then screw the new drain cover onto that. Now this work can get quite costly. It involves scuba gear and can sometimes be time consuming. In addition, your pool system may have multiple drains, and if you want them all to match, that means replacing all of them. However, a little money spent now can save a whole lot of regret in the future.